Hello, I'm Lena, and I'm a housewife. I have a busy day, taking care of my family and our home. Let me share how my typical day goes. My day begins early in the morning. I wake up before everyone else in the house. The first thing I do is freshen up, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day. After that, I head to the kitchen. I make breakfast for my family. I love preparing delicious meals, like toast, eggs, cereal, or sometimes pancakes. I make sure my family starts the day with a healthy breakfast. Once everyone finishes breakfast, my husband gets ready for work. I help him with his things, pack his lunch, and wish him a good day at the office. Then, it's time for my son, John, to get ready for school. I help John get dressed, prepare his school bag, and make sure he has everything he needs. I pack his lunch too. Then, my husband drops John off at school, on his way to the office. After they leave, I tidy up the house. I put away the breakfast dishes, do some light cleaning, and organize things around the house. Making sure everything is in order helps me feel relaxed and happy. Once the house is neat and tidy, I have some free time for myself. I might read a book, listen to music, or do a little gardening, if the weather is nice. It's my time to relax, before the rest of the day begins. Around noon, it's time to start preparing lunch. I try to make healthy and yummy dishes for my family. Sometimes, it's rice with vegetables and chicken, or pasta with sauce, or maybe sandwiches. I love cooking, and I want my family to enjoy their meals. After lunch, I clean up the kitchen, and take care of any other household chores. I might do laundry, tidy up some more, or take care of the plants in the house. Later in the afternoon, I start preparing for John's return from school. I make sure to have some snacks ready for him. When he comes home, we talk about his day at school, and I help him with his homework, if needed. As the evening approaches, my husband returns from work. I welcome him home, and we spend some time together, discussing our day. I make dinner for the family, and we all eat together, sharing stories and laughter. After we finish eating dinner, it's time to relax, and get ready to rest. I help John get ready for bed, brush his teeth, and read him a bedtime story. It's a special time for us to bond and relax. Finally, when everyone is in bed, I get some time for myself again. I might watch TV, catch up with friends, or simply enjoy a quiet moment before going to bed myself. And that's how my day as a housewife goes, busy but fulfilling, taking care of my family, and making our home a happy place.